Hey guys, so we're currently in the test week for the Lift and Run Challenge, so feel free to come into the fitness center, test out your bench press and your modified push-up, get your technique down in your form, but we also wanted to send out a quick tutorial video so you can get a good sense of what to expect when you come in and start your challenge. So we're going to start with the bench press. As you can see here, I'm in the starting position for the bench press. My arms are fully extended, and as I hit play, you're gonna see me coming down, touching my chest all the way, and then extending back up. That's what we're looking for when we're counting reps for the bench press, is I'm coming all the way down, and then I'm coming all the way back up extended. I'm down, and I'm extended. So a few things to think about is concentrating on your breathing. You're taking in a breath as you're coming down, and you're exhaling as you go back up. And I'm gonna count each rep, each rep, each rep. Our goal is to get as many as we can. As you can see here, this is the back view of the bench press. So what we're paying attention to is our shoulders. Our hands are shoulder width apart. Our wrists are locked, our feet are flat on the ground, and we're just going to do a repetitive, same thing, up, down, up, down, up, down, touching your chest all the way with the bar. That's a successful rep. If you're stopping halfway, you're stopping a couple inches above, I'm not gonna be able to count that rep for you. So we're counting successful reps all the way up, all the way down, making sure that we're breathing the whole time. So let's move on to the push-up. Push-up is modified, so we're on our knees, and we're gonna use a block to help count reps. So this is the starting position for the push-up. And what we're gonna be looking for is we're coming all the way down, all the way up, touching our chest, and making sure that we are extending as we're in the top of our push-up, and then keeping our core tight. And same thing with the bench press, we are exhaling and inhaling, exhaling as we're pressing up, inhaling as we're coming down. So as you can see, I'm coming down, up, exhaling and inhaling, and I'm maintaining contact with the block each time. You have to touch the block each time. So next we'll show a side view. This is what it looks like from the side. Full extension. If you notice from my head to my knees, it's a straight line. That's what we're hoping for, is a straight line all the way down, head to my knees, and our core is tight and we're touching our chest to the block, and that'll be one successful rep. So feel free to come in, get an idea of how you're going to work through whichever challenge you have signed up for, whether it's the bench press or the push-up. Get an idea for your form and technique and test it out. And again, don't forget to register. You have to make sure that you're registered to get in. Registration closes at the end of the week, so make sure you click the link, register. It only takes a minute. And then you have up until October 25th to get your 2 attempts in. We're gonna take your best time. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys in here at the fitness center. Thanks.